how do you feel meme culture fits into this?
No, meme is in general, it's a post-structuralist term, and meme is also something quite really old. Actually, it's existing since the anthropology that coined it in the first place. And meme culture, I think, proliferates more again because of the acceleration of the media culture and the picture culture and the culture of consumption of the image and the immediate connection with what image means. And I do think we start to think faster now as well when we look at the image, but this fast thinking is very much geared to understanding of the particular this 3-4 seconds of attention. It's not meant to ignite any action further. It's not meant to allow you to sort of redefine things. It's really comes down to humor, exactly. So if you will take basically a line of humor, irony and satire, and you'll take irony as, I don't know, Socratic irony, for example, as an irony that's meant to bring down the Athenian Empire or something like that. That particular type of humor is very much on the margin now. It's very rare, I think, to meet something like that, to encounter actually the humor of that sort of power. We're more coming to the point of satisfying the immediate need to flip through real somehow. It's almost a bit like these flipping boards in the kindergartens. So you flip it immediately, you see another picture, and then it flips back, and you forgot about it if you did not make a screenshot, or if you did make a snap of the work or something like that. But it's not. That's what I feel is lacking in a sense of political agency, because even if you look now at the contemporary political crises that are happening, most of them are happening, there's very few that is happening because of the subversion. Actually, a lot of things happening because of uncovering specific for example, misuses, nepotisms, and so on. It's a dark way of criticizing power, but it's not what is interesting about humor, and that's actually what I think Payam is completely right. The humor is a very light way of approaching, of actually connecting with a populace. It's a very light entrance door into criticism. It's maybe the most kind way to try to invite general public into conversation about politics. But I do think that we need to rethink the way how we are building these doors, because the way we're building this door does not look inviting anymore. This door allows to make a snap of it, but it's not allowing you to actually. It's not sort of motivating you to knock or to turn the handle, and therefore the function-wise, it's aestheticized, but it's not driven by any sort of agency within it.